Guilty or innocent, her reputation as a killer is a death warrant. This is the center of the tiger conflict. Murbac is one of the most remote areas in Sumatra and one of the last refuges for tigers. But half of it has been allocated to the logging industry, and it's rapidly disappearing. Once the trees have gone, the palm oil industry takes over. Oil palm plantations cover almost 3 million hectares of Borneo and Sumatra, a booming $1.4 billion business. When land is taken up by oil palm plantations, the ecosystem is affected, leaving open spaces and less diversity of prey for the tigers. As the natural forest diminishes, conflict between humans and tigers escalates, and history has shown that the tiger always loses. The Indonesian archipelago has already seen 2 tiger subspecies become extinct, the Javan and the Balinese. Tigers are solitary animals. Each one needs as much as 80 square kilometers of forest to hunt in. Here in Murbac, that space is running out, forcing the tiger into contact with illegal loggers, rubber tappers, and poachers. One man is on a mission to keep them apart and protect the tiger's last territory. Tom Maddox is manager of the Zoological Society of London's Indonesian projects. He is racing to find a solution.